Welcome to this video demonstration. Career websites are usually a part of your corporate websites and are web applications that are integrated with your applicant tracking system or recruitment software. Large companies have been using their own career portals to attract talent for several years now. All big companies like Infosys, Wipro have separate career website portals where they post job available within their organization and candidates can apply directly from there. Why do these big companies invest in their own career portals? Because it offers competitive advantage. In competitive world, having a web presence would boost your company brand as an employer and would attract more qualified and talented candidates. Secondly, the global economic conditions have forced organizations to acquire and retain top talent quickly and cost efficiently. So having a right talent is a key differentiator in the fast-paced, low-margin and global economy. This has caused enormous talent shortage. Thirdly, about candidate experience. With top talent in high demand, success requires a focus on candidates. Negative job seeking experience would drive people to other employers. Candidates are like customers. If you sell your organization with a good employer, it would enhance your employer brand and corporate brand. Finally, corporate career website is the interface for the corporation presentation and communication with its applicant, designed with the intent to convert these visitors into members of candidate pool. eScreener lets you create your own corporate career website with no efforts at all. Let's see how you can create corporate career website. When you register on eScreener, it would ask you for URL prefix. This prefix is for your corporate job portal URL. For example, if while registering you enter prefix as my company URL for your career website would be http mycompany.escreener.co.in, and you can even provide your custom URL like http myjobs.com, and your career portals from eScreener would be mapped to that address. After registration, you can click on Job Portal Customization icon on the top and it would open a page where you can customize look and feel of your job portal. By default, eScreener provides two different templates. Let's see how these two templates look. Let's select template for career site. I'm opening career site in second browser window. This is how template 1 looks. Now let's change to template 2. Template 2 is now applied. If you are not satisfied with the templates provided by eScreener, you can create your own template. Job portal page is divided into 3 sections: header, body and footer. You can modify each of these sections to get desired look and feel. Let's try to change header. Let's add Mumbai after company name. Checking how it appears on the site, As you would see, Mumbai has been added after company name. Now let's see how candidate would be using your career portal. When candidate visit your career site, they would be shown a list of jobs available within your organization. They can search for specific jobs, view job details, and apply for jobs from your site. Let's apply for a job on this site. As soon as candidate applies for the job, system would create a portal account for a candidate. A mail would be sent to candidate informing about accounts detail. Candidate can then log into your job portal and see how his resume being processed. Let's log into career portal. Login and password have been sent to meet on the email provided in the resume. After logging, system shows candidate how his resume has been passed. Candidate can make changes and make sure that resume has passed correctly. He can even update his resume by uploading a new resume. System also shows candidate details of his status. Candidate can also see communication history with the company. For example, in this case, it shows detail about when resume was received and details of interview scheduled. It also shows various messages received and sent to candidate by HR of the company. As shown in this video, having own corporate career website has many benefits, that is, more completed applications, stronger employment brand, reduce recruiters' workload. Implementing a next generation candidate experience will attract and engage higher quality candidates and ultimately help your organization with the war for the talent.